Saan ko kayo tatapon ito? Ha? Ito na lang.
Sir, alam mo bang hindi pwede yan under Republic Act number 6969?
Eh sir, saan ko ito tapon? Sir,
Sir, meron naman po tayong tamang area para itapon yung ating basura kasi masama po yun sa ating kapaligiran at sa mga tao.
ay ganun ba sir? Sige po sir.
Today, in this video, we will talk about Republic Act number 6969. This is the Toxic Substances and Hazardous Nuclear Waste Control of Act number 1990. This law controls the production, importation, use, and the disposal of toxic chemicals and hazardous waste. Its purpose is to protect public health and the environment from harmful substances that cause long-term damages.
How toxic waste affects daily life. When chemicals are dumped into rivers, the waters becomes unsafe for drinking and fishing. When hazardous waste leaks into the soil, crops and trees, weaken breathing fumes from unsafe chemical storage also harms your health. This problem shows why strict rules are needed. These are the types of fundamental chemical toxic waste, how we affects our daily lives.
You help your community by following simple prevention steps. Store chemicals in secure and labeled containers. Do not mix hazardous waste with regular trash. Bring harmful substance to approved disposal sites. Report illegal dumping or unsafe practices to your barangay of the DNR. This action help maintain peace and order and safe environment.
Lastly, Republic Act number 6969 includes clear penalties. Violators face fines and possible jail time, while businesses that ignore disposal rules are also held accountable. These legal consequences push individuals and industries to follow safer practices. When everyone obeys the law, the whole community benefits from cleaner surroundings.
Protect health, protect the environment, follow RA 6969.